Breaking update that's coming in from the national capital. Will he, won't he? Will Arvind Kejriwal, ladies and gentlemen, get any relief from the Delhi High Court? We are learning now that there is confirmation that the Delhi High Court tomorrow will be pronouncing its verdict on what possibly could happen vis-a-vis Arvind Kejriwal. Will he move on to get a bail? Will he walk out of Tihar, or will he have to continue inside the Tihar jail? Do remember the matter also went to the Supreme Court, Bhavtosh, earlier, but the Supreme Court made it very clear that until and unless the High Court decides on the matter, we will not look into it. Now, by what time tomorrow, Bhavtosh, are we expecting the verdict to be out?
Dipti, by 2:30 in the afternoon, this verdict will be out. In fact, just hours after Supreme Court verbally observed that it's rather very unusual for any court, whether it's High Court or trial court, to stay an application in which the prosecuting agency here, Enforcement Directorate, asked for a stay order. It should have been ideally disposed of that day itself. And within few hours, the High Court has said that it will be pronouncing its order on this ED's application, which has asked for a stay order on the trial court's order, which had given a regular bail to Arvind Kejriwal. Now, the Enforcement Directorate also has filed a 29-page rebuttal in which they have said that the trial court did not look into the various aspects of this court and had virtually discounted all the arguments that have been presented by the Enforcement Directorate. They have also said that in 2023 onwards, they have recorded statement of at least 29 individuals connected with Aam Aadmi Party who had directly or indirectly said that the money or the part of money that was collected in the alleged excise scam went to fight was used in the Goa election campaign.